Hello StarSteer users and Happy New Year. My name is Ali and I welcome you all to our new mini-series on Python in StarSteer. In each episode, I will share quick tips and tricks to make your workflows more efficient using Python. Let's get started with our first episode. The object tree in StarSteer can contain all sort of items: interpretations, well plans, logs, image logs, top sets, target lines, and comments. As the project grows and the number of wells increases, this tree can become cluttered and hard to manage. Here's a handy solution. Use Python to automatically create folders and organize objects by type. I have saved the script as a favorite, and with one click, voila, folders are created and every object is neatly moved into the designated folder. Our object tree is now much cleaner and easier to navigate. You can also customize the folder names or group wells by leases, location, or any other logic that makes sense for your project. If you would like to implement the script in your workflows, get in touch with Roji's technical support team and we are always happy to help. I will see you in the second episode of this mini-series for Python and StarSteer.